like to present project 2, and then our system name is automatic student attendance system. So let's introduce our group member Swantini Manohar as project manager, and then myself TAARANEE Segar as system analyst manager, and then lastly Nur Farah Maisura binti Matnoor as a marketing manager. So introduction. An automated attendance system that comprises of a web-based system for recording attendance across the entire HAM enterprise. Each class or department has its own username and password. The class faculty can see a list of students or members who are registered under it when they log in. The instructors can take attendance and mark current students using the checkbox and next to each student's name. This attendance sheet is saved and submitted to the organization's central administrator for storage. There is an admin login for the system. The administrator can view all attendance data, press a button to access the default list, search for specific student attendance by name, search by class, and generate Excel reports. So question A. From your context diagram and interface design in project 1, design a complete user manual for one main selected process which involves administrator view. User manual for automatic attendance system, administrator view. Okay, here we got main page for our system, and then we have step 1 and step 4. So first of all, I would like to explain step 1. Step 1, open and check the system. Select the dashboard option at the main page, and then step 2, enter the date by clicking the calendar. Select the class from the drop down list, and then click the search button to start searching. Step 3, save the student data. Select the student by clicking the checkbox here, and then click the save button to the selected data. Now step 4, press OK to save. Click the OK button to save the data. That's all from me. Next we'll pass to next presenter.
Hi, my name is Farah and I will continue for question B. For question B, from your concept diagram and interface design in project 1, design a complete user manual for one main selected process which involves normal user view. So this user manual for automatic attendance system administrator view. Okay, and in the main page, the normal user has 6 options to select. The user can click the dashboard to check the data of the student. And then, after the normal user clicks the dashboard, the page will show as above. You can see, the normal user can enter the student name, matric number, time, date, and select the class name. Before search, enter all the information. The user click search to check the data. After that, the page will show the data of students, as you can see, like this. Okay, for question C, explain how you will perform system changeover for system implementation at client side. A direct switch is the first of them. In a direct transition, the old system is switched off and the new system is turned on. on a specific date. Furthermore, restricting access to the all data and eliminate any possibility of comparing the system. This is most effective in area of the business when a small amount of delay is acceptable. A parallel changeover is another method of switching. In this instance, the old and new system processes for a period of time. For question D, propose the best backup for the system that you will suggest to your client and justify the reason. Okay, we have two backup here. For number one, external hard drive. You can set up a network with a large capacity external hard drive and you receive active software to preserve change to local file to that drive. You may restore file from external device with a RPO of only a few minutes using active software. However, when your data quantities expand, one external drive will no longer be sufficient and your RPO will insert. Now for number two, backup software. Software-based backup solutions are more difficult to set up and maintain than hardware backup applications. But they provide more flexibility. They let you specify the system and data you want to back up, assign backup to the stored device of your choosing, and control the backup process automatically. That's all for me. Next, I will pass to Suhasini. Thank you.
So now we have to see the fifth question, that is recommend your 5 suggestions to your client to ensure the system are secure from cyber attack. So the first suggestion we have given to our user is check their password strength. So most probably the users will keep their password as simple as their birthday dates and their private names and stuff. So the most important strategy to prevent network breaches is use the safe password. A hacker will have a harder time breaking into your system if your passwords are safe. More secure often entails a longer and more complicated system. Make your password at least 8 characters long and include a mix of numbers, uppercase and lowercase letters, and computer symbols. Hackers might have a toolkit that allows them to break short, simple passwords in minutes. The second suggestion is secure your device. If your mobile devices is left unattended, misplaced or stolen, it could be used to gain access to your personal information, money or identity, as well as irreplaceable material such as images or texts. Protect your gadgets by following these steps. The first one will be the setting a password gesture or fingerprint that must be entered to unlock. And then the second one will be the setting the device to require a password before applications are installed. Is encryption. Encryption can help to protect the data that you send, receive or keep on a device. Encryption is a method of scrambling legible text so that only those with the secret code can or description can read it. It contributes to protection of sensitive data. And then the next one will be the don't use the unsecured Wi-Fi. It is extensively used and does not require a password. There are no security mechanisms on Wi-Fi network. As a result, they are great targets of cyber criminals. Having a weak login credential. Those information such as a nickname or street address characters is used in a lot of passwords, which is an issue. So require the clients to use unique passwords, then create rules that require clients only create unique, complex password of at least 12 characters and change them if they ever have a reason to believe that they have been compromised. As you can see, this is our conclusion. For every learning management institution, an automatic attendance management system is a must-have tool. The majority of extension solutions are time-consuming and require the teacher or pupils to perform semi-manual tasks. By incorporating face recognition in the process, we hope to solve the problems. Even while our system has flaws, such as the inability to detect a huge number of faces, there are still a lot of space of improvement. We can improve different modules until we obtain an acceptable detection of identification rate since we could use a modular strategy. The system may be improved such as the accuracy, detection rate and recognition rate are all increased, allowing for a greater number of students to be discovered and recognized in the class. Thank you.